Namaste everyone. Today is an exclusive video. Now we are going to tell about Narendra Modi ji. Narendra Damodaras Modi ji in Gujarati. Born on 17 September 1950, is a politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi. Modi ji is a member of BJP and RSS. A Hindu national volunteer organization, he is the first Prime Minister outside of the Indian National Congress to win 2 consecutive terms with a full majority and the second to complete 5 years in office after Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Born to a Gujarati family in Vadnagar, Modi ji helped his father sell tea as a child and has said he later ran his own stall. He was introduced to the RSS at the age of 8, beginning a long association with the organization. Modi ji travelled around India for 2 years and visited a number of religious centers before returning to Gujarat in 1971. He became a full-time worker for the RSS. During the state of emergency imposed across the country in 1975, Modi was forced to go into hiding. The RSS assigned him to the BJP in 1985 and he held several positions with the party hierarchy until 2001, rising to the rank of General Secretary. Modi ji was appointed as the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2001 due to Keshubhai Patel's failing health and poor public image following the earthquake in Bhuj. Modi ji was elected to the Legislative Assembly soon after. His administration has been considered completely in the 2002 Gujarat riots. Modi ji sworn in as the Prime Minister of India on 26 May 2014. He became the first Prime Minister born after India's independence from the British Empire. He was again sworn in as Prime Minister on 30 May 2019. In 2019, Ayodhya dispute was resolved. Ordered the land to be handed over to a trust to build the Hindu temple. It is also ordered the government to give alternate 5 acres, a dam to Sunni Waqf board for the purpose of building a mosque. For BJP Karyakartas, serving the nation comes first. BJP's relief work during lockdown. PM Modi ji said that the nationwide welfare work undertaken by BJP workers for so long and at such a scale during the COVID-19 crisis is the biggest Seva Yagya in history. PM Narendra Modi at Ram Mandir Bhoomi Pujan ceremony started his speech with Jai Siya Ram, and he also said, after all, how can I rest without accomplishing the work assigned by word Reem? While Lord Rama, Hey Siyapati, Lord Ramachandra जय। जय मोदी जी, जय श्री राम।